Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Tonight is March 6th. Right now is, I think, roughly about 7 p.m. right now. I actually just got home from work. For this video, I'm going to try to fix my sun visor for the driver's side. This is a 2011 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. I think it should be the same without the hybrid. The model should be the same, and I think the procedure should be the same for most all Highlander, maybe 2008 to 2014 with the team. So anyway, obviously mine does not come with the screws. It's missing a screws right there, and so I went to the Toyota dealership parts department and bought two screws right here. Exactly. I don't know if you guys could see the parts number. Where's the camera? Oh, everything's flipped around. So anyway, I'll read it to you. It's a 93229 dash 15020. 93229 dash 15020. So as you see, the light doesn't work right now. I think it's because the visor is missing. That's probably why. So I ordered this from eBay. Actually, I ordered from Amazon, excuse me, and cost me about $20 something. These two screws cost me about $6, a few change. So $3 each, roughly, about each screw. And this is about like between 20 to 30 bucks visor. You probably can't tell, but my interior is beige color. So let's quickly show you guys. Most likely these are made in China, I assuming. Okay, let me see if it comes. So I actually email or message the seller if it came with the screws, and the seller told me that no, it does not came with the screws. In terms of the review, it's mixed review. Some people say it's good, some people say it's bad. But yeah, let me put this away. Packaging. So yeah, it looks something like that. It also had the warning label on it, which is pretty cool. Oh, so first thing I noticed is this thing is kind of hard to open and close. Got some friction going on. 100% glass. I could see it. It's 100% glass. Let's see. On the side, it has the extension right there. So I'll try to put down the link with the description on the Amazon. The link to the Amazon on the description. So yeah, it has an airbag logo on it. So it should be something like this. So airbag logo. In terms of orientation, let me see how exactly it goes. So it looks like I need to flip this around. Oh no. Yeah, I do need to flip this around. So probably like this. You could actually rotate this, as you could see. So you could rotate this. So you just have to align the socket with this. So looking at it, it looks something like, wait, no, I think I got it the wrong way. Yep, I did. So it looks something like this, pointed down. Yeah, this align. And then you have to remove this cover right here because the screws is underneath. So you gotta remove this. This is plastic piece just for the trim, just for the look. So you could just kind of like try to bend it a little bit. Just try not to bend it too much and just kind of just pull it out. There we go. It's just a trim piece. And then you got the holes, screws holes underneath. So it looks something like that. And then I guess one way to do it is you could clip this onto the holder right here so that you don't have to constantly holding onto it. That's one way to do it, I guess. I hope it fit. Okay, perfect. Okay, one issue is that the light does not turn on. See, I open it, the light does not turn on. It should automatically turn on. So I don't know what's going on. Let me try to remove this and look inside. Maybe something is not touching. or maybe the bolt. I don't have my cell phone with me, so I can't really look directly in it, because it has like a circuit right there. I don't know if it's touching or not touching. Maybe it's not tight enough. Alright, well anyway, let me try to install this first and then deal with the nader. Maybe the bolt is out. I mean the light bulb is out, so I'm just going to open this. Doesn't matter because I'm not going to return it or anything. I'm still going to need it. So I'm going to take one out first. I don't want to lose it. You need a Phillips screwdriver. Stick it in. It's kind of dark though, but try my best. I hope that's the right screws. There we go. Wait, it's kind of tight. Hold on. I don't know if this is the correct screws that they gave me. Kind of big. Let me try this first, just by putting on the screws. Oh man, guys, I don't think this is the right screws. It's too thick. Yeah, it's way too thick. Won't fit. Won't fit, guys. What do you guys think? Should I return it? I have to return it. Look like it. Damn it. Got the wrong one. Or maybe wrong parts. Wait, it does fit. It's going. It's going. Alright, maybe this is it then. I was just being way too gentle on it. So let me try to squeeze this on. Put it back in. Clip on. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with the light though, guys. What do you guys think? Maybe it's the bolt that's out. I need to make sure that this is aligned. There we go. I wish I have a power tool right now. It'll be a lot faster, I will say, for sure, guys. All right, let's grab the second bolt. Pushing it in. Try to tie this up. Hand tie. I don't want to over thread it. Then move it down and then tie the other bolt. Alright, that's it. And then put this cover on just for the look, so that you don't look at the screws by itself. This is just for the look, guys. And then you clip it on. That's it. I think we're done. Oh, what do you guys think? What's that? 8 minutes, almost 9 minutes. Took me a while. I talked way too much, I guess. Man, the light's not working. That's the problem. I'm gonna have to take this out and see what's going on. Maybe the bolt or the fuse or something. Can I take this out right now? No, I don't have a fingernail. That's a problem. I really want to fix this. That's for sure. That is for sure, guys. One comment I wanted to make is that it's not exactly a perfect fit. So let me show you guys that. So as you can see, the passenger side, I don't know if you guys can see it. It has like right there, that's the inside part, and this is the outside. It actually extends a little bit, but look at the driver, this one, it actually extend out a lot more. Normally it should be flush with this line. And what do you guys think? A little bit gap right there or something. I don't know if it's going up all the way, but I did push it all the way in already. But yeah, Let's turn this around. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the light, guys, but I definitely need to get that fixed. But in terms of visor, is fixed. Let me set this down for you guys. Flip it. All right. Ooh, it's going. It's going. Let me put this up. There we go. All right, let's pop this to the side. What the hell? Is it supposed to hang like that? It's kind of loose, guys. I don't think this is normal, is it? Look at this. It got some play to it. Yeah, it shouldn't be like that. It should be up like this, hold up, but it kind of dropped down. I guess this part of review to you guys. What you guys think? Is it not all the way in? I did push it in all the way. Do I recommend it? I don't know. I think original probably better. The feel between these two, oh yeah. So the passenger one is leather. This is like PVC, like plastic. It's not leather. It does not have the leather feel to it. It does not have a cushion. Like, it's not soft. Whereas the passenger, you have like a little bit of softness. You could push in on it. Yeah, so quality, I definitely gotta drop it. And of course I can't really see it clearly, so during the day I'm going to look at it exactly, and then I'm probably going to open this up to see exactly what's going on. I don't know, maybe is this thing, maybe it's not touching all the way, but yeah, the light is not working, guys. Not cool, not cool at all. Yeah, so I'm going to try to open this up and see if something wrong with the bolt. If it's not, then most likely it's the visor itself. You know, maybe the wiring is not triggering it or something. It's not telling the light to turn on. But yeah. Anyway, that's about it. If you guys have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you guys know exactly how to fix this, definitely let me know. But at this point, I'm just going to open this up on weekend because today is Thursday, so I'm going to skip Friday and then try to open this up on Saturday. If the bolt is out, then obviously easy fix, I could change it. But if it's not, then most likely the visor, which I hate doing this because I hate returning stuff. But most likely I have to send this back and then maybe get a different one or something. I don't know. But yeah, I really hope that this thing works. But wait a minute, I might able to take this out right now. Do I have a flathead thing? I don't have any flathead, guys. No flathead. And my finger is not working, obviously. Yeah, I can't open this cover up. But anyway, I'm going to end the video right here. Thanks, 14 minutes already. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any comments, leave it below. Okay, I'll see you guys.